I think the time and place to make them aware that other people are going to lowball them with estimates is before or as you deliver your estimate, right? Hey, Jen, I want to be crystal clear on something. You're about to get my estimate. Okay. If you shop this with other people, especially if you show them the number, you're going to get a lower number. Here's what's going to end up happening is it's going to be incomplete day of. They're going to get you for a bunch of extra charges, or when you show up, when you get your final estimate, they're going to put a bunch of supplement charges on there. Okay. I just want to make sure that you're aware. I'm putting everything so there's going to be no surprises for you. We're going to show up on time, and we're going to wrap everything properly and pack everything properly, right? So that's when I would cover the estimate thing. Hey, if you like this video, imagine if you and I work together twice a week. What do you think you could be making? I know what you could be making. Twice or 3 times more than you're making right now. Sales does not have to be hard. When you follow a process, it's amazing how much more money you can make. If you want to learn more, click the link in my bio or comment with the word sales. I will personally reach out to you. I'll show you the Easton University portal, and we can talk about me mentoring you and working with you live twice a week and getting you to those income levels that you deserve. You're worth it. Click the link in my bio or comment. I'll reach out to you. Talk to you soon.